A basic guide to heat pump servicing on the Kapiti coast. You might not pay attention to your heat pump system in your home until it starts malfunctioning. However, when your air conditioner does not work properly, it is time to get in a professional to have it checked out for you. Always make sure you get a qualified and certified professional to fix your failing system. Here is some information that will help you understand the process. Make a circuit around your home before calling for help with your heat pump. Jot down the rooms that are hot and the ones that are cold. This will help your air condition service professional determine what the problem is. To make sure your condenser fan works properly, keep the fan blades and the coils clean. The outside condenser unit should be kept free of leaves and other debris. Your heat pump system may run into problems after storms if it is surrounded by dirt, leaves or small branches. It can cause the unit to overheat and break down. Clean the fan blades and coils on the condenser fan every spring. Make sure to turn off the fan's power first to be safe. Then, remove the grill, then remove the blades and begin the cleaning process of the blades and the unit. If you are not comfortable doing this yourself, it is best to call Robin from Kapiti Heat Pumps to do the service on your heat pump. Robin covers the whole Kapiti coast from Paraparamu, including Otaki and Levin as well. Be sure to have twice annual heat pump system checks. Regular checks can prevent malfunctions and keep your aircon running smoothly. Although there might not be any noticeable issues, it is important to provide regular upkeep to prevent bad things from happening. You do the same with servicing your car regularly to keep you safe while driving. If your aircon is a bit older, you may consider having a programmable thermostat installed, because it is a simple way to help save money on air conditioning costs. You have greater control over the temperature settings. Most modern controllers can even be controlled from a computer or your mobile phone these days. Make sure that your AC is turned off when you are not using it. Your home will become somewhat warmer during this time. Leaving it on all the time only makes it work harder and results in a larger power bill. Sometimes, air conditioning units can ice up. This can also happen on the drain line. Switch the thermostat to the fan only. If the issue persists, call Robin from Kapiti Heat Pumps for help. If your system isn't working as it should, Robin will run a number of tests including if its ducts leak. Give Robin a call today or text him on 027 298 0041.